Now let's talk about how to start your gas hedge trimmer. First thing you need to do is consult your safety and operations manual to make sure that your unit is assembled correctly and ready to start. So now we're ready to start our gas hedge trimmer. I've got my safety apparel on, I've got my leather gloves, my glasses, my hearing protection, long sleeves, long pants, and closed-toed shoes. I've cleared the area of any objects, no children, no pets, no sporting materials, everything's clear. And I've placed it on the ground securely. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the sheath. Since this is a cold starting position, I'm going to go through the cold starting procedure. Going to remove the sheath. Now on a cold starting procedure, it would be the first start of the day or after the machine is cooled down. I'm going to put my on-off switch to the on position. We're going to put our choke lever to the cold start run position. Then I'm going to push the purge valve 5 to 6 times just so it fills with fuel. Now we're ready to start it. So I'm going to place it firmly back on the ground, place my left foot on the handle, my right hand on the front guard. Since this has a easy start recoil, it's going to take about 75% less energy to start the engine. So I'm going to pull very lightly. The machine's going to sound like it's going to fire. Then we're going to put it to the run position and pull the recoil again. So there the engine sounded like it was going to fire. So now we want to move the choke lever to the run position, and our gas hedge trimmer should fire on the first or second pull. So I finished half of my job. The hedge trimmer is warm. I've set it down for a few seconds to get something out of the hedge. Now I'm going to restart the unit. So now I'm going to follow the warm starting procedure to fire our unit back up. So again, I want to start with the on-off switch, put it to the run position, place your unit firmly back down on the ground, left foot in the rear handle, right hand on the front handle. I'm going to place it in the run position. There's no need to push the purge valve on a warm starting procedure. And again, this unit has an easy start recoil, so it takes about 75% of the effort away in starting the unit. So I simply have to pull the recoil 1 to 2 times and the unit will fire. So that's how you start your gas hedge trimmer. Up next, let's talk about the safety considerations and safety apparel you'll need while using your gas hedge trimmer.